Namo Namaha, myself Mishamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Vachya Parivartanam. Vachya Parivartanam, change the voice. Prayogaha. Prayoga is having three parts. Kartu Vachya Prayogaha means Kartari Prayog, active voice. Karma Vachya Prayogaha means Karmani Prayog, passive voice. Bhava Vachya Prayogaha means Bhavya Prayog, impersonal. Kartu Vachya Prayogaha means Kartari Prayog is having two parts. Sakarmakam, transitive. Akarmakam, intransitive. क्रियापदम इति वाक्यस्य महत्वपूर्णम अंगम. अधुना एतानि वाक्यानि पठत. Students, we know that Kriyapad is very important in sentence. With the help of the Kriyapad only we comes to know about the Dhatavas, Ganavikaran, Lakar, Vachan, Purush and all these things. Here some sentences are given. Balakaha grantham pathati. Balakaha. The verb is according to the Karta. Karta means Balakaha. Balakaha, Pratham Purush Ekvachan, Kriyapad, Pratham Purush Ekvachan, Pathati. Balakau, Grantham Pathataha. Balakau, Pratham Purush Dvivachan, Kriyapad also, Pathataha, Pratham Purush Dvivachan. Balakaha, Grantham Pathanti. Balakaha, Pratham Purush Bahuvachan, Pathanti, Pratham Purush Bahuvachan. Aham, Grantham Pathami. Aham, Uttam Purush Ekvachan. Verb also Uttam Purush Ekvachan Pathami. Tvam, Grantham Pathasi. Tvam, Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. Verb also Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. So, when the Kriyapad is according to the Karta, that time it's called Kartu Vachya Prayogaha. Kartari Prayogaha means active voice. It's called active voice. In Kartu Vachya Prayogaha, Karta is in Prathama Vibhakti, Karma is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, and Kriyapad depends on the Purush and Vachan of Karta. Here some examples are given. Madhura Sudakhandana Anayati. Madhura Karta. Sudakhandana Karma. Anayati Kriyapad. In Kartari Prayog, Karta is Prathama and Karma is Dvitiya. And Kriyapad is according to the Karta, means Anayati. Karta Pratham Purush Ekvachan, Kriyapad Pratham Purush Ekvachan. So that's why it's called Kartu Vachya Kriyapadam. Vayam Grantaha Pathamaha. Vayam Karta, Grantham Karma, Pathamaha Kriyapadam. Karta Ekvachan, Vayam. Karma Dvitiya, Grantham. Kriyapad Pathamaha, according to the Karta. Uttam Purush, Bahuvachan. Ramaha Grantham Pathati. Ramaha Karta, Grantham Karma, Pathati Kriyapad. If in the sentence Kriyapad is there, that's why it's called Sakarmakam Kartu Vachyaha. Sakarmakam Kartu Vachyaha. Ramaha Patati. Here Ramaha Karta, Patati Kriyapad. Here Karma is absent. Karma Padam Nasti. So it's called Akarmakam Kartu Vachyaha. Here some verbs are given. Some dhatus are given. Bhavati, Patati, Tishtati, Vardhate, Ramate, Jivati, Mriyate, Nidrati, Asti, Kradanti, etc. These verbs not need any help of the karma. Means these verbs are used without karma also, without object. It's called Akarmakaha Dhatavaha. Here some examples are given. Balakaha Uttisthati. Radha Lajjate. Mata Jagarti. Simvaha Mriyate. शशकः बिभेति, प्राची उपविशति. In all this sentence the karma is absent. So it's called अकर्मकः कर्मवाच्यः कर्तुवाच्यः. Here some अकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम् is given, सकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम् is given. रामः ग्रन्थं पठति. In that ग्रन्थम is a karma. So it's called अकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम्. सारिका हसति. In that karma is absent. So it's called अकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम्. सीता चित्रं पश्यति. चित्रं karma is in the sentence. So it's called सकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम्. अभिषेकः उपविशति. Here karma is absent. That's why it's called अकर्मकं कर्तुवाच्यम्. As I told, the Kriyapad is having important role in the sentence. Here again some sentences are given. Ramena grantah pathyate. Now here the Kriyapad is according to the karma. Means karma is pratham purush ekvachan, Kriyapad also pratham purush ekvachan, pathyate. Ramena grantau pathyate. Grantau pratham purush ek dvivachan, verb also same, pathyate. रामेण ग्रंथः पठ्यन्ते. ग्रंथः प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन, वर्ब also same, पठ्यन्ते. रामेण अहम दृश्ये. अहम उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन, वर्ब also उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनम दृश्ये. रामेण आवाम दृश्यावहे. आवाम उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचनम, वर्ब also उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचनम दृश्यावहे. रामेण वयम दृश्यावहे. वयम उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन, verb also उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन दृश्यावहे. When the Kriyapad is according to the karma, that time it's called कर्मवाच्यः प्रयोगः. Means कर्मणि प्रयोग. Means passive voice. In कर्मवाच्यः प्रयोगः, कर्ता is in तृतीया विभक्ति, कर्म is in प्रथमा विभक्ति, Kriyapad is according to the karma. Means Kriyapad depends on the purush and vachan of karma. Here some examples are given. मधुरया सुधाखंडः आनीयन्ते. मधुरा मधुरया कर्ता, सुधाखंडः कर्म, आनीयन्ते क्रियापदम. In कर्मवाच्य प्रयोगः, कर्ता is in तृतीया, कर्म is in प्रथमा, and क्रियापद is according to the karma. So आनीयन्ते is according to the सुधाखंडः. सुधाखंडः प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन, आनीयन्ते प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. अस्माभिः ग्रंथः पठ्यन्ते. अस्माभिः कर्ता, ग्रंथः कर्म, पठ्यन्ते पठ्यते क्रियापदम. कर्ता is तृतीया, कर्म is प्रथमा, and क्रियापद is according to the karma, means prathama. प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. When the क्रियापद is according to the karma, that time it's called कर्मवाच्यम क्रियापदम. When we are making the कर्मणि प्रयोग, that time how to make the verb in कर्मणि प्रयोग, means कर्मवाच्य प्रयोगः. कर्मवाच्य क्रियापद सूत्रम. How to make the क्रियापद. मूल धातुः और रूट वर्ब प्लस य प्लस आत्मनेपदीय प्रत्यय of any tense. Here some कर्मवाच्य क्रियापदास are given. कर्मवाच्यानि क्रियापदानि. पा पीयते. पा पिबती ओरिजिनल धातु पा प्लस ई प्लस य प्लस ते पीयते. Generally, when a dhatu ends in a, कर्मणि रूप is formed by adding e to it, means piyate. So many verbs are given here. All these verbs are in कर्मवाच्यानि क्रियापदानि. Here one example is given, दृश्यपश्य. How to make the कर्मवाच्य क्रियापद in lat lakar. We know that in Sanskrit, for third person we are using sah, sa, tad. Dvivachan tau, te, te. Bahuvachan te, taha, tani. For second person we are using tvam, yuvam, yuyam. For third person we are using aham, avam, vayam. Lat lakar. when we are making the verb in कर्मणी प्रयोग, we have to use root verb दृश्य plus य plus आत्मनेपदी प्रत्यय ते. दृश्यते, दृश्येते, दृश्यन्ते, दृश्यसे, दृश्येथे, दृश्यध्वे, दृश्ये, दृश्यावहे, दृश्यामहे. Now here are some examples are given. Ramena saha drishyate. As we know that in karmani prayog, the verb is according to the karma. Saha. Here karma is saha. Sa is pratham purush ekvachan. So that's why verb also pratham purush ekvachan drishyate. In this way, we can make the karmani prayog. We can make the sentence in karmani prayog. कर्मवाच्य रूपाणि अन्य लकारेषु अपि भवन्ति. As we made here lat lakar karmavachya, in the same way for making the karmavachya we can use any lakars or any tense. Now we will see vachya parivartanam, how to change the prayogah. कर्तरी प्रयोग टू कर्मणि प्रयोग, कर्मणि प्रयोग टू कर्तरी प्रयोग. सकर्मकम कर्तृवाच्यम इंटू कर्मवाच्यम. सकर्मकम कर्तरी प्रयोग we have to change into कर्मणि प्रयोग. रामः ग्रंथम पठति. We know that in कर्तरी प्रयोग कर्ता is in प्रथमा, कर्म is in द्वितीया and verb is according to the कर्ता. And in कर्मणि प्रयोग कर्ता is in तृतीया, कर्म is in प्रथमा and verb is according to the karma. So Ramah grantham pathati. Ramah, you have to make it tritiya, Ramena. Grantham, you have to make it prathama. Grantha. Pathati, it's a lat lakar. Original dhatu patha plus ya plus te. Pathyate. Ramena grantha pathyate. In the same way, balakah granthana pathati. Balakena grantha pathyante. Akarmakam kartuvacham into bhavavacham. Students, in bhavavacham means in bhave prayog also the karma is absent. The karma is absent. Karta is in tritiya vibhakti, karma is absent and kriyapad is according to the karta. So how to change the akarmak kartari prayog into bhave prayog? Madhura patati. Madhura patati. In bhave prayog we have to make the madhura in tritiya vibhakti. Madhuraya. And patati, original dhatu pata plus ya plus te. Patyate. Madhuraya patyate. Balikaha patanti. Balika bhihi patyate. In this way we can change the prayog. Here again some examples are given. Kartuvacham to karmavacham. Means kartari prayog change into karmani prayog. Balakah shlokam gayati. We have to make it balakah tritiya. Balakena shlokam karma. Karma in prathama shlokah. Gayati means lat lakar. Students, you have to note one thing. When we are changing the prayog, that time we should not change the tense, means lakar. The lakar will be same. So gayati, lat lakar. We have to find out the original noun ga plus e plus ya plus te, giyate. Balakena shlokah giyate. In the same way we have to read all the sentences. How to change the kartuvacham into karmavacham. Anya lakareshu prayoga parivartanam. Balakah shlokam agayat. Agayat lang lakar. So how to change in lang lakar prayog? Balakah tritiya vibhakti balakena, shlokam prathama vibhakti shlokah, agayat. The original dhatu ga. Ga plus e plus ya plus ta, lang lakar. So agiyat, we have to use here lang lakar pratyay, agiyat. Balakah shlokam gayatu, balakena shlokah giyatam. बालकः श्लोकं गायेत्, बालकेन श्लोकः गीयेत्. In this way we can change the prayog according to the tense also, according to lakar. Vachya parivartanam kuruta. Here some homework is given, you have to do with your own. First you have to identify the prayog. It's a कर्तुवाच्य प्रयोग or it's a कर्मणिवाच्य प्रयोग or it's भावे प्रयोग. According to that you have to do the changes. धन्यवाद.